Welcome to SS Designer Studio. I'm here for a quick update that SS Designer Studio is so proud to launch their exclusive jewelry collection from today onwards. Thanks to all my beautiful customers. Without your support, this wouldn't be possible. And stay tuned for our new collection of dresses for this upcoming festival season and exclusive jewelry collection. Have a glimpse of it and stay tuned. Keep shopping with SS Designer Studio and support small businesses. Thank you so much.